Source: Apoorva Bharadwaj, Android Central. What you need to know. Samsung has been busy updating its flagship Android phones with One UI 4, Android 12, but it seems the update is finally arriving on the company's mid-range devices. The Galaxy A72 appears to be the first of the A-series devices to receive the stable Android 12 update. As reported by Sam Mobile, the update is arriving for A72 owners in Russia with the firmware build A725FXXU4BULA along with the December security patch. The device was among the S-series phones listed to receive Android 12, but as 9to5 Google points out, it wasn't scheduled to receive the update until February. This is the same time the Galaxy A52 5G is set to be updated as well, at least according to the US rollout schedule. That said, dates and models will vary based on region, as noted by the recent rollout for the Galaxy S10 series in Europe. Galaxy S21 FE impressions. Samsung's affordable Galaxy S21 FE is finally with us, but was it worth the wait? 0 seconds of 59 seconds, volume 0%. Sponsored links. This desktop app helps you write more effectively. Grammarly. Install now. The Galaxy A72 launched in March last year alongside the Galaxy A52, although it never received a 5G variant. The lack of 5G and lower 90Hz display refresh rates saw the A72 arrive with much less fanfare than the A52 5G, which is regarded as one of the best budget Android phones of the year. Following its release in Russia, Android 12 is likely to arrive soon on Galaxy A72 devices in other regions as well, so you'll want to keep on the lookout if you own this model. You can check for updates by navigating to Settings, Software Update, Download and Install. Have you listened to this week's Android Central podcast? Every week, the Android Central podcast brings you the latest tech news, analysis and hot takes with familiar co-hosts and special guests. We may earn a commission for purchases using our links. Learn more from the editor's desk. CES's snazzy product launches couldn't mask the problems behind the scenes. Tech showcases are persisting amidst the pandemic, but it's not clear if the system as is will keep working, or if it's time for a change. Cool CES things. Check out some of the top announcements from CES 2022. From Chromebooks to smartphones and virtual reality, there wasn't a shortage of intriguing announcements from CES this year. Try to keep up. Google and Fitbit are playing catch-up with Samsung and Apple wearables. Now that 2022 is here, it's time for Google, Fitbit to get serious about its smartwatch game, especially if it wants to keep up with Samsung and Apple's best for the best. Grab a case and treat the Galaxy A72 like the best Android phone around. If you just picked up the new Samsung Galaxy A72, chances are you're going to be holding on to this one for a little while. That's why we always recommend getting a new case for any new phone that you may purchase, and these are the best Galaxy A72 cases you can find.